I-reveal na ko, burag hadlok ni sa akong security. Pero i-reveal na ko ang income nako nga 7,000 ang subscribers. Critical kay ni Megala. Delikado ang security nako ani. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Muna akong kita. Alright, we're home. And everybody, what's your reaction on Kuya's paint?
20 minutes? We're breaking up.
Nice. How nice?
I'm coming.
Alright guys, I just reached 7,000 subscribers! 7,000 subscribers, yes. No, 7,000. Yeah, 7,000. We need 900,000. 9,000. 9,000. No.
93,000 more subscribers till we get
1 million. Yeah, 93,000 more to get 1 million. Yeah, 93,000 more to get 1 million.
100,000. So we could get the
Yeah, the
silver plate.
Yes. So nihapit mi sa Ororama. Kaya mag-celebrate mi sa graduation ni Rusty. Magluto ko karon.
Ala ka? Ganina na siguro ni sila. Yan lang ang gusto doon. So,
Alright, we're here guys. Let's see sa latest update sa among payag-payans. So muna ni gidampingan na diri. So muna ako na-contact sa Facebook na motorbaho sa akong mga parador. Mga boss, so ba nag-asawa? Lo, grabe. Dali gyud motorbaho. Ganina pa ning buntag ah. Grabe paspasa. Ayos, nice. Nana ko mga gamit tanan dinhi. Lan gato na rin kon. Tapos tanan tong mga kwarto. Wow! The country is here. Di ba sapa? May masig sapa ba? Wak. Di sapa. Okay na. Oh my God! The double deck is here. Actually, akong gusto nga ulang diri sa CR is kanang nabitang dia tabura ka nabitang na sa sampot. May TV rack there. Sinaw para ba niyo? Tama rin nga nakadako. So na TV. Anyway, so karon ginadampang na nila. I don't know kung muna na ba niyang finished product nila silang gidampingan. So medyo gipatag na nila. Medyo na pa yung mga ginagmay kulang. Rock and roll.
Raymond is missing out.
Hi. It's okay na? Hi. Oh, where's your mom?
This is ours. Mine.
Wow.
Mine. Wow. We're gonna have spaghetti and barbecue as our snacks later.
The great Ryan Casino, baby. Rusty.
I know. Night warning.
If I did not cut my hair, or the same. Brother, enjoy kong bata ba? Lagi grabe ba? Enjoy siya ba?
Liwan ka sa imo.
So I'm very happy na it has finally come to an end. So my mystery every day of thinking what to feed them will finally end. I do not share your suffering. That is why I'm single. Okay.
I remember magila ko sa
in the 90s. I was in the 90s and I was so passionate about art, but dili gid na ako wala mag-mentor sa ako na time because dili pa kayo interesting on art.
This one I draw in like space when I was like a child. I think it's like the easiest way to paint for me. This one I painted for Mother's Day and I was just doodling and just thinking what my mother likes. So this is what I have.
They're always the first one to ask me if they can have snacks already. Diba? You asked me as early as 3 o'clock.
Yes.
And you have snacks already.
Okay. Say Ella, come here, Ella. Say thank you for the 7,000 subscribers.
Thank you.
Continue subscribing. Okay. Let's see, what did I buy for today?
What?
Muna mong
Wait, Daddy.
So muna mong napalit sa 200 pesos.
Daddy.
Muna mong napalit sa 200 pesos nga challenge. So nakapalit mi og duha ka tray nga itlog.
Obviously.
Tapos pineapple juice para later sa Fighter 50. This is my favorite.
That's my favorite also.
Butter cookies.
No, that's not. Remember, Kuya, we just eat those in the sleepover.
Then this one, what's this, Ella?
Lettuce. Celery.
No, it's cabbage.
Oh.
Anong basura ba? Basura, cabbage.
That's garbage.
Sorry.
Garbage. Daddy. I think it's lettuce.
Then wait.
What's this?
Flavor.
Cocktail hot dog.
I tried the small hot dog cocktail. What brand?
With marshmallows?
Virginia. Virginia, your favorite.
Yeah, but not the marshmallow, please.
Not the marshmallow.
There's no.
And for you guys.
Yeah!
Plus, and here's more.
Wait, what?
French fries plus wait.
More? Papa, just
No,
buy
later,
it.
later. So, your favorite, gulay, ampalaya. What, Ella?
That's not my favorite.
Ampalaya. This one
Chili.
is
Chili.
no, it's not chili. It's
Pepper.
pepper.
Oh, sorry.
Atsal. You say atsal. Atsal. This one.
What's this?
This is so yummy. Come on. It's
Potato?
yummy. Yeah, no. You smell it. You smell it. It's yummy.
I think I know this.
Yes, no.
Oh yeah, I think I know this. Is this jackfruit?
Yeah?
No, it's durian.
Oh yeah. It's healthy.
Doria.
Durian. But I don't like the taste. I don't like the taste. I just like the smell.
Ano kalamit sa board? 139.
If you eat it, it's so disgusting.
Yummy. Then, there the twist.
What?
Chili powder for your French fries.
No, that's
Ay, no, sorry.
cheese.
Cheese, okay, rewind. This is the twist. The cheese powder for your French fries. Yay.
But I really like
Because you guys are so buutan. And another.
pepper.
And this one.
Tomato. Kamatis.
Kamatis. You are honor. Kuya is.
Kamatis.
Just kidding.
More lettuce.
Lettuce. Because so our sunan will be.
Lettuce.
Yeah, magsalad mi karon.
Let us eat.
This one.
What's this?
It's lutya.
It's wood. It doesn't look like a wood.
It's not a wood, it's
like a
lutya.
tree.
Lutya.
Like this, you have it.
Another.
Kamatis.
Another.
Lettuce.
This one.
What's this?
Spring onions.
Soya
Onion leaves.
Onion leaves.
Onion leaves.
Wow.
And
Kamatis.
Ella is honor. Kuya is.
Shut up.
What's that?
Kamatis.
Kamatis. We got the kimchi because later we'll have a. Saan itong button?
Challenge?
No, the
Samgyeopsal.
samgyeopsal.
Samgyeopsal. There's a
Oh,
Korean
counter dyan sa dyan.
Korean, mana?
What's it?
Kili na, kitanglad.
Tanglad.
Sa kitanglad.
Tanglad lang, tanglad.
Tanglad. What's this?
Oh, Baguio beans na slice na daan. Muna nakalami sa mga mo.
There's so many beans.
This one is your favorite.
Watermelon.
Hey.
And ta-da!
What's this?
Lumpia. Your favorite also.
Yay!
Lumpia.
It looks like a bread shape. What?
Then of course,
What's that?
Meat?
pork belly.
Yay!
Pork belly. Then
What's this?
beef bones for the sabaw.
Wow. Oh, I like it.
Then another pork bones for the sabaw.
Wow.
Alright, so let's sleep. I'll be cooking.
Yay.
Be cooking for dinner. So the time now is 7:21. We will eat at 11 p.m.
Daddy, we eat already corned beef dinner. Kuya River and me. Eat na lang.
Oh no. Nagkaon na lang si Rusty.
No.
Pakaon is iro ni Tandi. Magluto ko, then I will feed the dogs. So, among baton, mag-samjupsal na lang ni or anything. Why, fats. Ang samjupsal, why, fats. So, among ninipis-nipis o, tapos among ikwan dia. Among nang ipaborag fry dia. So, yan mga person. So, non-sticky siya. Pwede rin mo burag dito ka magsugba-sugba, no? Nice.
Like we can run. Daddy! Look at that! It's moving!
Oh no. Ta-da! Perfect.
I don't want to see that already.
Kamatis with onions, kimchi, the pork,
The
lettuce,
Just look at the volcano.
Ah.
It's really scary.
garlic,
corn.
then another lettuce. Oh, and
Just look at the
I'm gonna use this dressing.
What?
This dressing. Wait. So first, this one,
You can get this.
wait.
Mix this.
Mix sa onions. Tsada itong white onions. Ta-da!
Daddy, can I help? Pork?
Pork! Yummy ang pork.
It's so good! Oh my goodness!
The pork!
Can I get more?
Let's see how it tastes. Wait.
I have 999 gold.
Alright, so lovely. Let's put some pork and some leaves in there.
I don't want to watch already.
Perfect. There. 1, 2, 3, go.
Perfect.
Gusto ko naawa to na si Mark Queens bito, pamukhaan. Ang barag kataon nung jaman nga matag tira na. It's so delicious. It's so yummy. It's so fresh.
Pork na papa pork!
Give me some pork, mommy.
Pork? Yeah.
Pwede gini mo ang some jubsa lang. Pork daghan. Tabutan din ka og ano dyan? Kimchi. Ay, kulang ani kay paste, chili paste. No, we don't have chili paste. I put some onions.
Garlic man.
Ay, sorry, garlic dahil. Ay, kulang sa tag white onions. So wala man ko yung chili paste, kanina lang. Put it something like that. There. Yummy, so yummy. There, perfect. Dahil na din na pagkaon. Ana din. Go Ella, go.
Eh, ibutas na rin ba ang rice?
I will like this.
Comment below if pareha mamignong. Comment below.
Have a look. No, it's not.
Comment below if you have the same face.
No.
Look at that, good.
This is down below.
That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Paki-share ani. Ang tungod kay 7,000 akong subscribers.
Yay!
Akong i-reveal. I-reveal na ko burag hadlok ni sa akong security. Pero i-reveal na ko ang income nako nga 7,000 ang subscribers. Critical kay ni Megala. Delikado ang security nako ani. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Muna akong kita.